Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we forget guys Bluetooth headphone device network to our Infinix phone. Guys, you have connected any Bluetooth device and guys you want to forget this device. So I have connected guys my Bluetooth headphone. I want to forget to my phone. So how can I forget? In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to forget guys our Bluetooth headphone device, then guys scroll it. Once you can see your more connection setting in your Infinix phone guys, click here. Guys, click on your phone Bluetooth setting. As you can see guys, we have this Paytone BT company Bluetooth headphone and guys we want to forget. So on right side is setting icon guys, tap here. As you can see this one more icon. So once you can see your device name setting guys. So once you want to change your Bluetooth headphone device name guys, you can change from here. As you can see forget option guys, tap here, forget device. So your device will forget, means your Bluetooth headphone will forget to your phone guys. Then guys you cannot use guys, you want to use, you will have to connect again guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video and we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.